Don't let these common mistakes ruin your turbocharged ride. Learn how to avoid the top 5 errors that can quickly damage your turbocharger. In this video, we'll cover some important mistakes. Ignoring warm-up time, using low-quality fuel, neglecting oil changes, ignoring the cool-down period, ignoring the check engine light. Protect your investment and keep your turbo spinning smoothly. Watch now and share with your fellow car enthusiasts. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to the hearts of turbo enthusiasts everywhere. The top 5 mistakes that can quickly destroy your turbo engine. Now, turbo engines are incredible pieces of engineering. They offer a ton of power and performance, but they're also delicate. If you don't treat them right, they can break down faster than you can say turbo lag. So, let's dive into these 5 mistakes and how you can avoid them. Mistake 1. Ignoring the warm-up period. Turbochargers spin at incredibly high speeds, and they need proper lubrication to survive. When you start a cold engine, the oil is thick and takes time to circulate throughout the engine, including the turbocharger. If you immediately floor the accelerator, you're essentially starving the turbo of lubrication, leading to rapid wear and tear. Solution: allow your engine to idle for a few minutes before driving. This gives the oil time to warm up and reach the turbocharger. Mistake 2. Using low-quality fuel. Turbo engines operate under high pressure, and they rely on clean, high-quality fuel to perform optimally. Low-quality fuel can lead to carbon buildup, engine knock, and even pre-ignition, all of which can severely damage your turbocharger. Solution: always use the fuel grade recommended in your owner's manual. It's worth the extra few cents per gallon to protect your engine. Mistake 3. Neglecting oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your turbo engine. It not only lubricates the moving parts, but also helps cool the turbocharger. Skipping oil changes or using the wrong type of oil can lead to premature wear, oil contamination, and ultimately, turbo failure. Solution: stick to your recommended oil change intervals and use the type of oil specified by your manufacturer. Mistake 4. Ignoring the cool-down period. After a hard drive, your turbocharger can reach extremely high temperatures. If you immediately shut off the engine, the turbo continues to spin, but without any oil lubrication. This can cause the turbo to seize and fail. Solution: let your engine idle for a minute or two after driving to allow the turbocharger to cool down before shutting off the engine. Mistake 5. Ignoring the check engine light. The check engine light is your car's way of telling you that something is wrong. Ignoring it can lead to more serious problems, including turbocharger damage. Solution: if your check engine light comes on, don't ignore it. Have your vehicle diagnosed by a qualified mechanic to identify and fix the issue. By avoiding these 5 mistakes, you can significantly extend the life of your turbo engine. Remember, a well-maintained turbo engine will provide years of reliable performance and driving pleasure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more automotive tips and tricks.